In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a survey by email using SurveyMonkey. Whether you're collecting feedback for a project, conducting research, or simply gathering opinions, sending a survey via email can be an efficient way to reach your audience. Let's dive into the process and walk you through each step to ensure you can do this with ease. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and navigating to the SurveyMonkey website. If you're unfamiliar with this tool, SurveyMonkey is a popular platform that lets you create surveys for various purposes, and today we'll explore how you can distribute these surveys via email. The next step is logging into your account. If you're already a SurveyMonkey user, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. If prompted, you can log in using your Google account for a quick and seamless process. Simply click on the Google option, select the account you wish to use, and you'll be redirected to the SurveyMonkey homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, look for your Projects tab. This is where all your surveys are stored. Select the specific survey you intend to send out via email. Once you've chosen your survey, direct your attention to the Collect Responses button. Clicking this will bring you to a page with several options for how you can distribute your survey. From the collection methods available, click on Send Surveys Your Way. Here you'll have the option to send your survey by email. Take a note that this particular function is only available for premium account holders, so you'll need to make sure your account meets this requirement to proceed. If you have a premium account, click on the Send by Email option. At this stage, you'll be able to customize your email. You can input the recipient's email addresses, craft a compelling subject line, and customize the email body to better engage your audience. Remember to make your message clear and succinct, encouraging your respondents to take part in the survey. Once your email is tailored to your liking, review all the details and ensure everything is accurate. This includes double checking email addresses and any personalization you may have included. After verifying you're all set to send your survey, hit the send button and your survey email will be on its way to your intended recipients. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully sent out a survey by email using SurveyMonkey. Remember, keeping track of your survey responses can provide valuable insights and help guide your decisions. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to use SurveyMonkey to reach your audience. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next instructional video.